Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by unlocking the phone and going straight to Settings. This is where Ringer options live. Tap Sound and Vibration or Sounds and Notifications. The label varies by device, but the content is the same. Once there, make sure Do Not Disturb is off so you can hear changes as you test them. You'll use this screen to select the ringer type and volume, so pause here until you see ringtone, phone ringtone, or similar listed under sound profiles. Now tap ringtone or phone ringtone to open the list of tones. You'll hear previews when selected. Adjust the volume slider while trying a few tones, because a soft tone at max volume still sounds weak. If you want a custom file, choose Add, Plus, or My Sounds to pick an MP3 from storage. Once done, confirm the selection. Some systems require Save or OK. Make sure the selected tone shows as active in the sound screen before moving on. Finish by saving your selection and testing with a call or the preview button. You need to hear it now to confirm success. If the new ringer applies only to some contacts, check contact-specific ringtone settings. They override the global tone. If you still hear silence, make sure the audio file is compatible, MP3 or M4A, and confirm the files or storage permission for the ringtone picker. Sometimes a blocked permission prevents custom tones from playing. If that fails, restart the phone and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.